Let's turn some stones into some beautiful art. First, we're gonna paint it black using a brush, doing only the top, and then we're gonna add a primer. We're also gonna be using a chalk pen to draw the design before adding the colors. And then let your imagination go wild. We're using the dotted technique and add all different colors, giving them dimension and texture. You can also build up the colors one on top of the other, giving them little spikes. Add as many layers as you want. Add some glue around it, and then we're dipping it into some glitter and sparkly paper. And here's the result. These are absolutely gorgeous. Next, we're using a chalk pencil. And we're going to draw our design, making lines to make sure to be very symmetrical. We're going to start with red in the middle and start building up your dots all around it. We're making them different sizes, starting with the small ones and making them bigger as we go. Of course, you can add all the colors that you want and play with the sizes. Keep following the chalk lines. And then have fun adding more in the middle. Make sure everything is covered. And stack up more colors on top of the colors. So pretty. You can also use this beautiful sparkly ink. We're going to start by drawing a line in the middle. And then add your colors. We're creating this sunset on the sea. And outlining everything with a black pen. Again, build up the colors on top of the other. And you can do anything you want on any shape of stones. We're making this one a love heart shape. And those colors are so pretty and sparkly. Making a night sky this time. How gorgeous does this look?